Welcome back. In today's quick SolidWorks tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D part using the Revolve Boss/Base feature. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more SolidWorks short lessons. Thanks for watching.